Today's lesson is going to be one of the shortest that we have throughout the duration of these 2 weeks. Just like me, I would like you to get logged into your Pinterest student account. When you log into your Pinterest student account, you are going to see a home page, and this home page is filled with ideas. Pinterest is like showing me things that I might be interested in based upon what I've already told them I was interested in, and it just keeps branching further and further out. It presents me with pictures that with a click or two will lead me to even more. Part of my purpose today is I gotta stay focused. Whenever I open up Pinterest, it gives me great options of resources. But I also have to remember what my goal of this lesson is. And the goal of the lesson is to establish a new section in my Pinterest boards. One thing to be very careful of with the internet, and we all know this, whether it's social media or searching just, within Google Chrome browser, is we can lose a lot of time and a lot of clicking, and we don't even realize how much time we're spending. So we want you to develop a focus when you are going to be online. What is the purpose? Sometimes it's casual and relaxed, and you can keep scrolling and clicking and exploring. But a lot of times, when it's for academic or goal setting purposes, we need a plan and we need to know how to get to that plan. And so today, I'm going to again demonstrate what our plan is and how we get there. Would you please go to your profile photo or your profile icon? Mine still remains faceless. And here it is. I'm Lisa Koch, and I have already established, just like you have, 4 boards that have nothing in them, no pictures to represent yet. That's where a few things are going to change real shortly. Please click into your 9th grade board. And one great thing about Pinterest keeps coming to mind. It wants to suggest things for me about 9th grade. And for our purposes today, we do not want any of that right now. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I am going to come over to this plus sign here and, excuse me, I'm going to left click on the plus sign and I am going to create a section. This section is going to be called Career Exploration. This is where I'm going to put my map results, additional reflections, and some future assignments that I'm going to have. And this will be a section where when I am an 8th grader, I start putting this into 9th grade already. But what I want is I want as a 9th grader then, when we do a similar unit next year, you can compare and be like, oh, am I still interested in that? Or have I branched off into something else? Or how is it all going to work together? Because we want you to keep thinking, keep researching, because someday you're going to leave Belle Plaine High School, hopefully with a diploma, and we want you to be ready for that next step, setting goals so we can all get there together. So I'm going to hit add, and you should see a subcategory of career exploration. Don't worry about my map category yet. Got a little ahead of myself, which is also a common internet issue. All I need you to have is the career exploration section within your 9th grade board. Okay? Please take care of that. Get that section created, and we will soon take off with our map.